Hi, this is Mama Maths.
Question 4 in the qualifying stage part 2. The integers from 1 to 2023 are written in a long blackboard in a straight line. Millie colors any number divisible by 23 in blue, divisible by 88 in yellow, divisible by both 23 and 88 in green, and any number not divisible by either red. How many adjacent pairs of numbers have different colors? So let's check. How many numbers are divisible by 2023? 23 by 2023. Okay, so you divide it, you use the floor notation. So, because if you use like round up or round up depending on the decimal, it will give you a number higher than 2023. So, if we divide it by 2023, this will give us 87 numbers. So, this means that you have blue for that. Now, for 88, 2023 divided by 88, that would give us 22 numbers, which is in yellow. Now, if we check 2023 times or 23 times 88, this will give us 2024. So there will be no in green. How about in red? So you just subtract 2024 to 3 minus 87 minus 22. There are 1914 in red. So now, what are the chances it would be like adjacent pairs of numbers that have different colors? So there are more red, right? So it could be a possibility R, B, R. So if you have two numbers in between them, or the blue or the yellow ones in between them, you count that as two already. There are two pairs. So in that case, you just add them, 87 plus 22, that's 109, and multiply it by 2. That would give us 218. Now, there will be an instance where blue and Y are together. So if that's the case, you count it for blue once, and you count it for Y's once again. So it will now count twice. Now, how many times will it happen? So it should be adjacent, so you can write it in the form 22a equal to 88b plus or minus 1. So let's consider 22a equal to 23a rather. 23a is equal to 88b plus 1. That would mean, this statement would mean that if we divide 23a by 88, it will be, or it will have a modulus 1. Now, it will only be happen, let's check if a is a divisible by 23. So let's say 23 squared. 23 squared is 529. If you write this down, if you divide it by 88, this will give us 6 times 88 plus 1, which is 1 mod 88. So that's one number. So that is already one number that is included. Now, if we check 23 cubed, this is greater than 2023, so it's not included. Now, let's check 23a, 88b minus 1. This would mean 23a has a remainder -1 mod 88. Now, this will be a hard one because this is not obvious. Now, just in case, if we multiply 23 here, 23 times 23, and then a. We multiply also 23 on the right-hand side, that's -23 mod 88. This will now cancel out. Why? Because 23 squared has a remainder 1, so it's just 1 times a, so it's just a here. Now, another way of writing down remainder -23 is 88 minus 23, that's 65. So that means a could be equivalent to 65. So let's check. 23 times 65, what's that number? 23 times 65, that's 1,495. So if that's the case, let's check. If we add 1, this is 5. 1496, if we divide it by 88, what will happen? This will give us 188, 149 minus 88. This is 616. 616 divided by 88 will give us 7. So it's actually 17. So it's also divisible. Now, are there any numbers that would be divisible by that? None. So in that case, you have two numbers when it is 529 and 528. 528 and 529, that's one part, and the other one would be 1495 and 1496. So there are two numbers where they are divisible by or that are repeated. So in that case, you have 218 minus 2, that would be 216. The answer is 216, letter D. Okay?